In this video, we will show you how to quickly save a location and navigate back to it on your Garmin Instinct Series Adventure watch. Some examples for when to save a location include marking a campsite, a vehicle location, or a favorite fishing spot. First, let's talk about how to save a location. Your Garmin Instinct Series watch includes a hotkey which allows you to quickly save a location. While outside, press and hold the GPS button. Once the watch locates satellites, you will see the coordinates for your current location. Press the GPS button to save your location. Your location will be saved as a waypoint with a preset title, including the current date and time. You can also edit the information by pressing the down button. Press the back button to return to the watch face. When you want to navigate back to the saved location, press the GPS button to open the Activities and Apps list. Press the down button to locate Navigate. Then press the GPS button to select it. While in the Navigate app screen, scroll down to Saved Locations and select it. Here you can view all the saved locations and waypoints. Select the one you would like to navigate to. On the waypoint information screen, you can view the details for the saved location and even edit the name, icon, position, and elevation. Select Go to begin navigation to the saved location. Once the watch locates GPS, press the GPS button to begin the navigation. See the links in the description to learn about additional navigation features, including using the Garmin Explore app to save and store waypoints. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.